But if you're gonna do a service business that is gonna require you to be either B2B, mostly B2B, because I don't do very much B2C. That pretty much comes to me, and then we do business based on, like I said, reputation and whatnot. So if you're gonna do B2B and you're gonna market in the ways that are almost guerrilla style, like literally driving for dollars and seeing an opportunity and stopping and pulling over and going, then I would say anything but a business card. Because these people on these job sites are flooded with business cards every day. They don't want a business card. They don't need a business card. So anything but a business card. Take a postcard, take that same design of that postcard, turn it into a magnet. Take that same design of that magnet, simplify it, and put it on a coffee mug, a tumbler. Like, you have to figure out a way to stand out where it's so crowded. The space is so crowded and convoluted.